Bullish Chilliz, CHZ, cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $0.268123 and $0.506455 by 2030. Market experts accept CHZ could reach $0.208540 by 2025. Bearish Chilliz market cost expectation for 2023 is $0.047666. Chilliz, CHZ, presentation Chilliz gives blockchain-based answers for the games and media outlets. The organization has fostered a restrictive token, the CHZ token, which is utilized to control its fan commitment stage, socios.com. Chilliz has organizations with the absolute greatest names in sports, including FC Barcelona, Juventus, Paris Holy Saint-Germain, AS Roma, and Manchester City. The organization is settled in Malta. Alexander Dreyfus is the organizer-in-chief of Chilliz. He has north of 20 years of involvement establishing and developing online organizations. Before sending off Chilliz, he established WebCity, an intelligent travel guide, and Winamax and Chilipoker, both web-based poker projects. Dreyfus is a sequential business visionary who saw the capability of utilizing blockchain innovation to upset the conventional games industry. Since its send-off, socios.com has quickly turned into the world's driving fan commitment stage, fueled by blockchain innovation. The stage permits fans to decide on club choices through a versatile application or web interface utilizing CHZ tokens. Fans can likewise buy elite product and encounters from their number one clubs through socios.com's internet business store. What is Chilliz, CHZ? The Chilliz stage was made fully intent on furnishing fans with a better approach to draw in with their number one games groups. The stage utilizes blockchain innovation to permit fans to decide in group choices and furthermore offers prizes for taking part in the administration of their picked group. The Socios stage is presently utilized by a portion of the world's greatest games clubs, including FC Barcelona, Juventus, Paris Holy Saint-Germain, AS Roma, and Galatasaray. Blockchain innovation offers various advantages for the two avid supporters and clubs. For fans, it gives a better approach to take part in the administration of their number one group. It additionally offers straightforwardness and security with regards to deciding in group choices. For clubs, blockchain furnishes a method for interfacing with their fan base and make new income streams. The socios.com stage utilizes the blockchain innovation of the Chilliz coin, CHZ, to make secure, straightforward, and unchanging exchanges. The utilization of blockchain likewise considers quick and proficient installments between parties. Exchanges on the socios.com stage are controlled by the CHZ token. The worth of the Chilliz coin, CHZ, is gotten from its utility for of the exchange on the socios.com stage. As additional associations send off fan token contributions on the socios.com stage, the interest for CHZ will increment, driving up its cost. Furthermore, as additional individuals utilize the socios.com application to purchase and exchange fan tokens, the liquidity of CHZ will increment, making it more straightforward to change over into cash. Organizations. The Chilliz Group has organizations with probably the greatest names in sports, including FC Barcelona, Atletico de Madrid, Paris Holy Saint-Germain, Juventus, AS Roma, AG Experts, Galatasaray SK, and some more. Chilliz, CHZ, current value Chilliz is right now worth $0.059583 United States dollars. CHZ has moved 2.84% as of now with an exchanging volume of $44,648,967. Chilliz is right now positioned 73 among all cryptographic forms of money, with a market capitalization of $419,634,943 United States dollars. Using the overall strength list, RSI, moving weighted normal, MWA, Williams fractal, and moving normal union uniqueness, MACD, from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Chilliz, CHZ, to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation conjectures utilize continuous Chilliz, CHZ, market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in view of current market action. Chilliz, CHZ, value expectation 2023 Chilliz, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital currencies to rise this year, CHZ. The CHZ cost gauge for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, potentially coming to $0.089374. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be slow, yet no significant drops are normal. Averaging $0.083416 in cost is very aggressive, however it is achievable soon given expected coordinated efforts and headways. CHZ is supposed to have a base worth of $0.071500. Chilliz, CHZ, value expectation 2024 of every 2024, Chilliz CHZ cost forecast has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of CHZ will before long outperform $0.148957. In any case, we ought to hold on to check whether the CHZ's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, CHZ will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0.119166 and a typical exchanging cost of $0.131083. Chilliz, CHZ, value expectation 2025, assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $0.208540 and CHZ might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. CHZ is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0.190665 and a low of $0.178749 in 2025. Chilliz, CHZ, value expectation 2026, assuming that Chilliz effectively supports market opinion among cryptographic money lovers, the CHZ coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, CHZ will be green in 2026. The CHZ is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $0.268123 with a base cost of $0.238332 and a typical cost of $0.250248. Chilliz, CHZ, value expectation 2027, after some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the CHZ cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $0.309831 by 2027, with a base cost of $0.297915 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, CHZ has a greatest value worth of $0.327706. Chilliz, CHZ, value expectation 2028, because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $0.369414. In the event that CHZ figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $0.387289. Neglecting to assemble the help CHZ needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $0.357498. Chilliz, CHZ, value forecast 2029. While CHZ is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed